everyone, I am Usha. Washing and cleaning your nether regions is also important with your overall hygiene practices. I personally use this VWash Plus Expert Intimate Hygiene. Let me share my thoughts on it. With the goodness of tea tree oil, this product is extremely good at taking care of the itching, odor, and irritation in the intimate area. Without any paraben or SLS, this solution is completely safe and healthy to use in your intimate area. The acidic imbalance in the area can cause a lot of issues, from dryness to intense itching, and this product maintains a pH balance of 3.5, which is perfectly healthy and optimum. This soap-free solution also packs amino acids, many vitamins and minerals. Thus, it can be used every day for cleaning your intimate parts without any risk of irritation or allergies. VWash Plus is a safe-to-use product which must be used every day for cleaning your nether parts. It keeps the area healthy and maintains the right pH balance, which is a must if you want to have a clean, odorless skin.